Alright, sound test check number 1 for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. So let's see, I want to experiment with, let's see, I'm not sure if it's just TV or just, so, you know what, just in case I'll do it with both. For now, just for test purposes only. Let's try, send this at 30, send this at 30, last but not least, set this at 30 as well. Okay. What are we saying here? In case, so like, take some effect in the way. Alright. Kind of test button, but we're cool with that. Alright, so we're set all, so just to recap, for both settings, for both audio settings, we set them both to 30 each for all of them. And so the equalization settings so normal for both as well. Alright, let's get to the test run then. Alright, I'll play as Mario, which is some random level 9 CPU. Okay, actually, hold on, before I start the test, let me do something real quick. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry for the wait. Let's go ahead and start off the match with Isabelle. Okay, this should be fun. Thumbs up for good luck. Oh wow, kind of a good start because that missed me over the head. Okay, we're off to. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna just try to focus here. Oh boy, Isabelle's not playing around today, huh? Oh, ouch. Nope. Ooh. Ooh, missed me there. Nope. 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 Oh, yikes. Nah. Not today. Oh. Ooh. Okay, got the combos. Alright. Oh, come on. Catch her. Ooh. Dang, I almost did it. Oh, what she hit me with? Ow. Alright, sorry about that background noise distraction. That's the sound of my clock in my house in the background there. So it kind of interferes with the mic audio a bit, my commentary, so I don't really want that to do it. So anyway, continuing on with the sound test. I know I should have paused when my mic turned off, but I'm gonna let that one slide for now, because, you know, I was acting on impulse. Alright, nice. Oh my god, every single time you have to start off with a fishing rod, that's just so painful. Oh my. Combo breaker, huh? Alright, whatever, that's fine. Get rid of your stupid trap. I'm falling for that anyway. Okay. Oh my god. I had to jinx myself on that one. Of all times, that was so perfectly timed. Why? Why? It's not what I want. It's not intentional. Oh my. This wasn't even scripted. Come here, Isabelle. I'll wreck you. Come here. Oh jeez, no. Oh no, none of that. Nah. Oh my. What is that up tilt? Come here. Fool! Left yourself wide open. Nope. Not falling for that again. Done with your stupid tricks, Isabel. I'm done with your tricks. You hear me? I'm done. It's over. I know your tricks now. Except that one. Oh god, I hate that one the most. Oh my, you tombled it into with a fishing. Oh, you got some, almost dead. No. Oh my god, no. Oh, like that. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah. I was too nervous about that trap. I mean, I could have fireballed before I went in, but I'm trying to think of like the safest option, and apparently it was too late by the time I realized it. Alright, let's go ahead and try to win an actual match, because, you know, I've been kind of rusty playing as Mario and playing against level 9 CPU, so, oh, fighting against Shulk now, are we? Okay. Alright, here we go. Bring it on, pal. Oh my god. You won't even let me charge my flood to, like, completely. Okay, I guess you got some patience issues. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay. No, stop. I'm dead. No, don't you spike me again. Oh my god. God, after playing after playing Blaze Blue Cross Tag Battles, this just feels kind of funny. I mean, I kind of know what I'm doing, but at the same time, I feel so rusty at the same time, like so quickly. Like, after just dropping one game and playing another, getting back into this game, it feels pretty weird. Okay, I don't even know what I'm saying. I feel like I'm contradicting myself when I'm commentating this concept. Okay. No. No. Just no. Stop. How are you carrying all this stuff? Stop it. Stop being good. Stop being good, CPU. Stop! What are you doing? No. No. Get out. You suck. That's right. No, you're not driving up. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, you're jumping out. It's not gonna help you anytime soon, buddy. Not. Oh no. Ooh. Ooh, that was close. Got lucky there. Ooh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh, I could have flooded you if I had to, but I didn't expect you. Oh. Oh. Nope. Don't even think about it. Oh my god. I almost died from that. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my god, you're doing it. Okay. Oh, wow. Come here. Yes! No. What do you think you're doing, pal? What are you doing? What are you doing? You fool! Come here. What a oh, whoa, that was close. Haha. Oh my god. Oh, I barely made it back. How did I make it back? How did I do it? Well, doesn't matter because I'm dead. Okay, come on, Shulk. Come on, do your worst. Do your worst. What? What? What?
I can change the future.
I need to stop talking, seriously. For every word I say will just be every single step closer to my death. Like, it's like if I ever speak a single word, the CPU just thinks like, so you've chosen death. Unbelievable. Alright, please let me win this one. Please. Oh my god. You too, huh? You too? You really have some you got some issues, but okay. Okay, that really sealed it. Okay, this gone long enough. This has gone long enough. Stop. No more steamrolling. Stop it. I appreciate it. You freaking inkling. And that's what you typically are. Okay. Yeah, that's right. You ran out of ink. So used it all up for your stupid steamroller. Yeah, that's right. You're dead. Oh my god, you're not dead. Oh my god. You're dead. Please die. Oh my god, I did the reverse and I didn't do anything. Get out. Oh my god. I'm back here. Do this. No. No. Come here. Oh my god. Oh, wow. I'm dead. No, you didn't. You just did not. You just did not just do that to me. No, that's unacceptable. You can't just do that right out of a freaking... What kind of move was that? Get out. Get it. Come here! Alright. Now I'm mad. You won't like when I'm mad. No. Come here. Oh my god, I had a combo going. No. Okay, nice. Nope, that's not nice. No. Ooh! Ooh, I really spot that. Okay. Ow. Okay. God! Why did I have to sour spot a vault? Please die. No. No, no, no. No, I'm not losing this. I'm not losing this. You hear me? I'm not losing this. I'm not gonna lose to an Inkling that spams Steamroll. You got me? I'm not losing! Sit down, Inkling. Sit down! Skateboarding looking purple ag. Okay, whatever. Let me calm down. Alright. One stock left. One stock is all I need. Nope. Mmm. That's right. You're about to get sauced. Come here. You're about to get it. Oh my god, I try to keep it. I think I've been used to playing against Amiibos too much. That now, okay, you know what? No Johns, no Johns. I need to stop making excuses for my losses. I know, it's stupid to hear someone say something, you know, right after the match. They usually just end it with just, good game! Or just leave with salt and just, like, not say anything. I don't know, that's like a typical reaction. Okay, you know, I just stopped asking myself why I make this stage legal anymore. You know what? The moment I finish Daisy off the stage, you know what? I'm gonna take this off the... I'm kind of dumb. I'm kind of getting tired a bit with, you know, playing against, like, walls and no, like, fallouts and everything. Alright, this will be the last time I'll do it. I'll play it competitively. Ooh, that roll read, though. What are you doing up there? Could have up-beat you if I wanted to. Like, watch. See, I almost had the potential to do that. Okay. Come here. Come here, girl. Don't be scared. Ooh. Ooh. Hmm. Oh my god. No, I'm not losing to you. You hear me? I'm not losing to you, Daisy. Even though it's like your wedding day or whatever. Come here. Okay, I guess not. Hmm. Okay, I almost had that down, right? Okay, nope, that's not enough, Daisy. You gotta hit me more better than that. Oh, nice try. Ooh. Oh, 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 aw. Oh, man. Come here. Come here. Catch one of these hands. Okay, never mind. Really program with great timing properties. Okay. Do it again. Okay, I guess not. So you have a counter on. Nope. Oh my god. Even the down tilt? No. No, no, no. No, nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Come here. Do it. Yeah, that's right. Should have known better, Daisy. You should have known better. You fool. not enough. That's not enough. Nope. That's not enough. That's not enough. Not enough. Nope. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I'm not done. Okay, guess I am. Alright. This shall spell the end for you! Okay, well. The end! That was honestly lame. That was really, really lame. I mean, I won, sure, but on that stage, it used to be cool for me now. It used to be cool for me as of now, but now, it's time to take it off the stage list. Well, time to say goodbye to the King of Fire Stadium. It will be missed for the competitive glory days. I might bring it back if I were to choose it to play for fun, if I feel like it again, but for now, it's off limits. I'll get one more win as Mario, and hopefully I'll get another win as another character I'm thinking of, which is Captain Falcon, as soon as I did with Ken. Oh, here we are again, huh? Deja vu. Nope. Why? Why? I am not dealing with these background distractions right now. I'm busy here. No. 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 Okay, well. Okay. No. Dang it. Dang it. It's been so cool. Dang it. No! Nah. Okay, ow. Yes, sir! I don't care if I died, that was worse. I think I got a full arrow in this recording. Let's get it. That's all I ever wanted. One of the kills. Okay, that was cute. Cheesy off the cliff. Or whatever. No, stop that. Stop. Oh my god, you really want to go for those 1-2 sure you can combos? Oh, cheesy. No. Come here. Okay, guess not. Okay, he was too far away that time. Oh my god. No, no. Oh my god, the madman did 3 of them. He did 3. Okay, that was barely powerful enough to get me out of there. Okay. Oh my god, Ken, that was disgusting. Ew. Ken, please get out of here. With this. That's my Hadouken. You like that? It's gonna fire. It's better your freaking key or whatever. Alright, Ken. You've asked for it. You've done this to yourself. This is now a spike war. Thanks to you. You've done this to yourself. So don't say I didn't warn you. You're about to get it. You're about to catch these hands. Okay, almost did it. And... I got down too early. I went down way too early. Oh my god, that would have been so sick. But too bad it was against a CPU. If it were to be a real match, I would seriously just take him down like that. Okay. I got too excited. That was my mistake. Okay. Against Zelda. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, this is a more stupid stage. Let's go. Alright, please just charge my flood for once. Thank you. Thank you, Zelda. Thank you. I just want to do just, you know, just in case you do that, you know? But, you know, turning from the distance and the launch. distance and everything. Okay. Whatever. What are you doing, Zelda? What are you up to, girl? Oh my god. No. No. This is bad. Very bad indeed. Okay. This Zelda's playing a little tricky on me right now. This kind of reminds me of a good old friend of mine that plays this character. I remember giving him a sticker before we had to leave the country, leave somewhere else, you know. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm sad. No. Oh, thank god. Okay. Anyway, I'm distracting myself from flashback memories. Ooh! Oh my god. That was kind of cool. Come here, come here. Ooh! Nice. Oh. Let's keep that number. Let's keep that number. No, let's keep the number. Let's keep it. Zelda, don't. No. Keeping it. We're keeping the number. So you've chosen death. So you've chosen death! Haha! Okay. I need to really focus on like hitting her. Like I keep missing a lot. That's kind of funny, you know. Okay. Oh, okay, stop. Ooh! Yeah. What? Oh no. Okay. Charging that was your mistake there, Zelda. It's gonna cost you Alright. See, every single time I trash talk, it's gonna cost me 1 karma. It's gonna cost me every single bit of my karma. Everywhere. It's just sad. Oh my god. No. No! I refuse to lose. Never again, Zelda. You hear me? Never again! It's gonna spell the end for you. No. No, not you. Me! No. Me! Me, Zelda. Me! Me! Oh my god. No. Me. No. No. I'm conquering this. I'm conquering this madness! No. I tried to grab the ledge. I tried to grab the ledge and... Alright, you know what? Zelda, come back here. Hold on, sorry. Zelda, come back here. I'm gonna get this win. I'm gonna make sure you let me. I'm not done here. I'm far from done. Taking my win back. Today.